RC Motor Analyser. On here you get the power supply of maximum 8.4 volts. On the side you got the sensor wire for the motor and the 3 wires ABC for the brushless motor. Up here you can check for A, B, C if the Hall sensors are working. Then you got here your adjustment knob for the different programs. You're having 4 different programs which you can choose of. Program number 1 is actual kV reading and maximum RPM, and it will show you the maximum voltage and the current without load on the rotor. The second program, you find motor timing. In this program you can see what degrees your motor timing is adjusted to. Then you got number 3, the noise level. Underneath the motor there is a small microphone where you can see how much noise the motor is doing. And number 4 is to determine how many poles the motor has which you have connected. We start with program number 1. We push the button and we turn to start. Motor is turning at this moment at the lowest level. And we got level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7 and level 8. Then we got the input voltage of 8.3 volts. We got a current without load of 2.8 amps on this type of 8.5 turn motor, and we see that we have round about 4,400 kV, also RPM per volt, and maximum RPM 36,600 RPM roundabout. So now we got the motor timing. We want to know how much timing we have on the motor actually set mechanically. We press again, we're waiting. The program is doing everything by itself. And we see that the average is 29 degrees. Phase A 28, phase B 30 and phase C 28. Now if we want to adjust, we can loosen up the screws on the rear for the motor can, and we can adjust different timings. Next part that we have is the noise level. We press the button, press and turn. And now we can determine how much noise the motor is doing. In our case, with the OMG Epic motor, it's doing round about 87 decibel on maximum and more or less between 80 and 87 decibel as a regular noise level.